In this video, we will show how a product can be planned manually. We will first plan the cover. To do that, we will first have to add a plan to the product. Click on Add Plan button in the product sheet to add a plan to the product. As we are going to plan the cover now, we can rename the plan as Cover. Now add the cover component to the plan's element list. Click on the Add Layout button to add a layout to the plan. Choose the sheet size. Choose the work style. Choose the press and click on OK. The layout will be added to the plan. Select the Layout tab to start editing the layout. To add the component to the layout, double-click on the component in the element list. To add more copies of the component, double-click again. To rearrange the component on the layout while you are adding, double-click with the Control key pressed down. You can center the contents horizontally or vertically by clicking on the Center Contents button in the toolbar. We can add crop marks by clicking on the Add Crop Marks button in the Marks toolbar. Similarly, we can add fold marks by clicking on the Add Fold Marks button in the Marks toolbar. If you have Marks template already defined, you can add all other marks by clicking on the Apply Marks Template button and choosing the Marks template that you want. The layout for the cover component is ready. Before we add layouts for the bound component, we will first have to add signatures to the bound component. To do that, we will have to go back to the bound component window. Click on the Add Signature button to add signatures. You can rearrange the signature by clicking and dragging. You can double-click on the signatures to see them unfolded. Based on the options we have set in the Properties dialog, collation marks will be applied automatically. You can also turn on Creep if you wish to from the Properties dialog. Once the assembly plan is ready, we can create the layouts for the signatures. We will create a new plan for the bound component. Add the bound component to the elements list of the plan. Just like before, we will add a layout to the plan. To add the signature to the layout, double-click on the signature. You can position the signature at the desired location by clicking and dragging. You can also rotate the signature. You can also add marks just like we did before. Now to create layouts for the remaining signatures, you need not repeat this process again. Go to the Plan tab, right-click on the layout and choose the Repeat to Finish option. Similar layouts for the remaining signatures will be added automatically. You can preview all these layouts in the Layout Editor by using the arrow buttons at the bottom right corner of the Layout Editor window. In the next video, you will learn how all this can be done at the click of a button.